YouTube, what's going on with y'all today on this Mother's Day? What's happening? So here's our mission for today, right? We gotta mimic that line, that little valley that was in here. So I already started it. When I get totally all the way, run down the length of it, I'll come back and I'll clean it up a little bit. Make it look neat. So we went and picked this little fella up today. And about to put him to use, man. It's got 3, 4, 5, 6 speeds. Running it right now on 3. Came with a whole little bag of accessories, brushes, and little cut heads, and other little ends and tips and bits and kibbles and bits. But like I say, man, we are about to mimic this line, bring it back, and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, man. I think it turned out pretty decent. I had to go back in and hit it with some spot putty because in a few spots I went a little bit too deep and broke through the Bondo glass. But for the most part, there she is. We'll let it dry and sand it down, and scuff it up, and then we can get this thing painted, man. Move on to the next. Thinking I may go outside and do some work on the Impala, put the panels back in, and I got some new the duct tube. Put that behind the dash and put the ignition switch in, I think. Some other little bitty stuff. Oh, and I gotta adjust those tie rod ends I put on there a couple of months ago. But yeah, this Camaro dash, man, is came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. It's gonna be black. I started over here, that's like one. I think there may be 2 coats. So yeah, man, there we are. All right, y'all.